Hi everybody, this is Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Darius in here with us today, and he's got some neck and pain between his shoulder blades, so we're going to get that taken care of. We're going to do our full body adjustment on him, and then we're going to do the RingDinger decompression adjustment. So Darius is a welder, so he spends a lot of time kind of in the forward posture. He's got a couple kinks or subluxation in his upper back here. We're going to get taken care of today. Just try and relax here. Okay, take a deep breath all the way out. Yep. There we go. Good. Right here. Deep breath. Now. Yep. Good. Very good. I'm going to get his SI joints. Yeah, just relax. Sacrum. That's left SI. Yep. Just relax. Yep. One more here. Yep. Good. Just try and relax. Deep breath. All the way out. Yep. Relax. Good. All right. I'm going to adjust the base of his neck here. Yep. Just relax. Relax. On the side. Yep. Relax. Relax. Good. Very good. Did you feel that one? Mm-hmm. Awesome. All right. Now you're gonna face me on your side over here. So what we're doing is adjusting his entire spine, and that's gonna get his joints all moving properly. He's gonna have a lot less pain, a lot more mobility. He's gonna be able to do the job better. All right. I'm gonna get his lower back here. Just relax, relax. Yep. Very good. Other side. Okay. Here you go. Okay. Just relax. Yep. Perfect. All right. On your back. Yes, sir. So he's got an upper cervical subluxation here. So I'm gonna have you sit up. I'm gonna do an occipital lift on you. Face that way. This one here, I'm just gonna stand on the table behind you. Okay. And I'm gonna turn your head like this and kind of cradle it. And I'm gonna just pop it up like that, okay? Yep. Just relax, relax. Just like that. Yep. Just relax. There you go. One more time. Yep. Good. Perfect. Yep. Yep. Just relax. Yep. Awesome. How'd that feel? Good? Yeah. All right. On your back. And a lot of times that's where the primary subluxation is at, is at the upper cervical area. So it's very important to get that cleared out. Just relax. Good. There we go. Relax. Awesome. Wrist. Okay. Relax, relax. Good. Side back up. Yep. There you go. Same thing. Yep. Awesome. cross your arms like that. Lift your head up for me. Alright, now just relax and lean back. Yep. Good. Right here. Really trying to relax. Yep, just relax. Good. One more right here. Yep. Yep. Good. Awesome. Now put your arms out like that. Slide up just a hair. Yep, perfect. That's good. Just like that. Now I'm going to adjust your ribs in front. Yep. And this is really going to help to sit your head back up over your shoulders.
Okay.
Push you up just a little bit more. Yep, just relax. I'm just going to press this back like that, okay? Yep. Yep. Awesome. Alright. Sit up for me. Sit on up. There you go. Face that way. Relax your legs. Table lift them up. So this adjustment here is going to decompress your whole spine.
Okay.
Kind of like a bendy straw. When you push up, that's what it's going to feel like. Yes, sir. Lift your head up for me. Back down. There you go. Good. Perfect. Alright, now you're just going to want to relax. Breathe through your nose. Yep, keep your teeth together. There you go. Did you feel that one?
Oh yeah.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
You didn't see that coming, did you? That's why I call that the RingDinger. Because it decompresses the whole spine, huh?
Golly, that feels good.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that one really gets the pressure off the nerves. And that's what we see the best results with, is doing this adjustment. We're actually the only ones in the state to do it. There you go, sit up. We got one more thing, or a couple more things. We're gonna stand like this, face that way. We'll see if there's anything left in there to pop. Do it, just relax, lean back on it, kind of link your fingers together. There you go, yep. Now pinch your elbows in front, yep. Good, all right. Now like that. There you go. And bring your chin, bring your chin back just like that. Yep. And this right here is gonna help you to hold your adjustment. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. All right, Darius, is there anything you'd like to say to our YouTube viewers about your experience here?
Come to Premiere.
Yeah. Is it different than your other adjustments that you've had?
Yeah.
A lot different, a lot more thorough, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
I will say that it's not just a pop. All right, you're good to go.
Yeah,
I really appreciate that.
Oh yeah, because we really care about our patients. We love everybody, and that's what our goal is, to help as many people as we can.
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Yep. God bless.